To connect Crypto.com to Phantom, follow these easy and quick steps. Currently, there is no direct integration between the two, but you can still transfer cryptocurrency from Crypto.com to Phantom by following this process. Start by selecting the account option. Then click on the crypto wallet. This will display all the cryptocurrencies in your account. So choose the one you want to transfer. In this case, Solana. After selecting Solana, a window will appear where you need to click on the external wallet option. Then click the plus icon at the top of the screen. Select wallet address and paste your Solana wallet address from Phantom into the designated area. To find your Solana wallet address, open Phantom. Click the Receive button. Select Solana from the list of available cryptocurrencies and copy the wallet address. Return to the Crypto.com app. Paste the wallet address. Enter a wallet name and click Continue. You will then be prompted to trust the address and enter a password. Once the wallet address is added, click the video button next to the newly added crypto address, which may trigger a warning. Click Confirm and Withdraw. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Verify the wallet address and amount are correct, and click Confirm. You will then need to enter your password and complete identity verification, which includes entering a verification code from your phone number and Authenticator app. After completing these steps, your cryptocurrency will be transferred from Crypto.com to Phantom.